Squaddies, I am Mackenzie from the Lean Squad, and today we are ripping through a 15-minute kettlebell hit. Well, all you need is at least 2 kettlebells. I've got 2 sets here, 30 pounds and 40 pounds, and we're just gonna keep it nice high tempo. We're gonna work the entire body, and that's what I love about the kettlebells. It gets the whole body going. We're gonna get straight into it. First one we're going is kettlebell jack and press. You are just gonna literally follow along. And all I ask is you get excited because we're gonna burn some fat and get nice and lean. 2, 1. So we're going feet out, weight up. You wanna go whoop, nice and quick. So this one is really good because you feel it in the core as well as the shoulders. 2, 1. Whew. Front rack squat. I'm gonna go a little heavier here. I really want to work. So front rack means here on the shoulders, feet shoulder width apart, nice and up. Again, knees out, butt back. So the front rack just makes it a little harder to breathe. 2, 1, one last rack. Whew. Swing and press, and you go back to 40s. Oh, wow. See, you lift the heart rate, not fast. 2, 1. There you go. Butt back. There you go. Keep it going. So, on the swing, it's your butt back. And rest. Oh. RDL and curl. I'm gonna go down to the 30s here. So you can have just 1 set. 2, 1. It's down and up. It's a little awkward with the curl, so I don't go too heavy. Butt back, curl. 5. Last one, slight bend in the knees. All right? That's important. Slight bend in the knees. Frog jumps. Back to the 40s. 2, chest up. 1. Weight just down in the middle. Really launch off. 10 seconds. 5. 2. 1. Oh man. Reverse lunge and press. My arms already toast. So, same leg, same arm. This one's nice and controlled. So the idea isn't going crazy heavy here. We're doing really compound movements. Last one. Oh man. Half burpee. KB again. Here we go. 2, 1. I'm not pushing up. Just throw my feet back. Come on. 5. Last one. Ooh. Squat and upward pull. Here we go. 2, 1. So it's down. 1 arm. Working our traps while we work the legs. I like this one because it comes up and down the entire core. 1 more. We got a minute break. Wow. So, that was just 4 minutes. All right, already through the roof. And remember, this set, if you have to drop weights, that's okay. It's not about doing crazy heavy weights. It's more about moving fast. making that heart rate. You're gonna get stronger, I promise. And it's not about lifting the heavy weights. All right? This is how you get lean, fitter, and stronger all at once. Nice and fast. Think explosive. 2, 1. Jack and rise. Start picking it up. Everything up again. Keep going. Nearly there. 2, 1. Oh, wow. Oh, man. These quick changeovers. Getcha. 2, 1. Front rack squat. I'll show you from the side. So, you can see my butt back. Weights are on my shoulders. Slash arms. Come on. Swing and press. 2, 1. Come on. 10. 5, 2, 1. Yes. There we go. One by one. We're getting done. Already out and curl. So remember, it's only a slight bend in the knees. You should feel it in your hamstrings, which are behind your quads. So it's the back of the leg. One more round. Oh man. Frog jump. 2, 1. Come on. We're nearly there. 3, 2, 1. This is hard. There we go. 2, 1. Reverse lunge and press. Come on. It's amazing how much your core is working on these. Oh man. Come on. Nearly. 2, 1. Drive from the heels. Throw the feet far back. Rest. Squat upper row. 2, 1. Weight on the heel still. Wide stance. 10. 5. 2. 1. Minute break. Speechless. Leanest got my tongue. So big deep breaths. Last time through. Last go. All right. So it's our last chance to push it. You know, it's like when we're in a game, you always find a way, no matter how tired you are, to dig deep. So that's what we're gonna do here. Literally just digging deep. 4 minutes of work, and your job is done for the whole day. 2, 1, jack and breath. Come on. Nearly there. Last set of jack and breath. 5, 2, 1. Here we go. 2, 1. Front rack squat. Come on. Let's get the reps in. All the way up. Squeeze your glutes. Keep breathing. One more rep. Swing and press. Swing and press. This one's nice and explosive. 2, 1. Here we go. Again, this is another one. That gets the abs working. Squeeze the glutes. Butt back. 2, 1. Already on curl. Hurry up. We're close, we're close, we're close. 2, 1. Butt back. We don't rush this one. Back straight, flat. Last rep. Yes. There we go. Roger. Oh man. Doesn't get any easier, does it? 2, 1. Here we go. Come on. Every rep. Just get in the rhythm. Push it. Chest up. 10. 2, 1. Reverse lunge and press. Come on. Up. Same leg, same arm. You got this. 1 rep at a time. Just really push. Come on. 5. 1 more. Here we go. Woo. Yes. There we go. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Half burpee. 2, 1. You can see the finish line. Come on. 5. 1 more rep. There we go. Last one of the day. Last one. Come on. No matter how tired, you can get through this one. 2, 1. 10. 5. Come on. 2, 1. Yes. 15-minute kettlebell hit. The good news is you're fitter, healthier, and leaner than you were 15 minutes ago. For more information on how the Lean Squad can help you with custom meal plans and workouts, click the link above or follow @LeanSquad on Instagram. And let's get lean!